of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night, them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar, we not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive, even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow, one day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud, no change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise, wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest, ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain, time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon,
shut them down till the morning comes.
stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud, no chains from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise, fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in a morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me, no chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze from my face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough but me trod with the heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stopped the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more, better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. drum a beat and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity, are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow, but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast Shore to London sound. We chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jacka. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love, guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family. Near and far, Simone, yeah. Together we rise, Jah light shining. All we eyes from beat, they go from shore to shore. One world, people, fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One word, unity. Heartbeat rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trench Town hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. One word, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One word, where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide. One word, one heartbeat. We ride a bit. touch is the treasure I wanna hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right. Hear the sirens in the streets again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. Song, say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to change, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say
No fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. And me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rastaman.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey Jah, Jah, stop the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit now we flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no more.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow. I am a warrior of the light, heart blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right. No weapon formed shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again, till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on, Jah guide me till morning, sunshine bright.
Oh, 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 yeah. From the dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, no let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the street sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we now bow to fear of pain. Cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion now, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born. Yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love. of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, aye. Oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Oh, oh. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace. Bring me peace. echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sand, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, all are when people, when life beat them down. Yeah, Mama, no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lake. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one not one world forevermore. Shall light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Oh, rise up, yeah. Rise up, yeah. Rise up.
Rain fall by my window, silence in her room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you down on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep end. see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, domination tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow. Tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go. Tears turn to freedom. No more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up, my people. Jah love is the highest keeper. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One word
walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
Don't worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving out the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dance until the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so.
Whoa. Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. With you, me flying high above every loss.
No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless, it never late.
Do you love me?
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving in the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, I want the whole world to know.
Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight. Love so right, love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trent Zone to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by every stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flowing, you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide we soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're all once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom, right? Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mile.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
feeling on the ground.
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to jam down land.
One Jah, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey Jah, Jah, we still hold on.
Roots man vibrations, pick up the war.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration.
Light up the sky.
Jah spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Roots man stand tall, just still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
From the day we born, say keep your head low, don't question no. But miss the truth in the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain, still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, hope in your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat of the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still up on every street me see. Them build it tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we're chanting out the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch a track. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Lovely the one drop revolution. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need.
Rise up, youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind.
Jaja rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution.
Shake the ground, write your song all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution.
One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Drop revolution,
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no,
Drop
no.
revolution,
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no. Beat of the drum.
Ah,
Oh, out of the people.
revolution come,
Oh.
peaceful but equal.
One drop forever.
Jah guide the steeple, yeah.
Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call my name. Say son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling, I'm a dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world learn. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's side. Ah, oh. Oh, lion roar.
For the children of Zion once more.
Oh, rise, oh, lion rise. Let your fire light up the skies. Oh. Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn. Roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, me ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots, roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer Jackal. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break the spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. flame. Stand strong in all the lion's name. Roots warrior, carry the flame. Stand strong in all the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile. Warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside. Even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warriors stand with pride. Jah warrior, stand tall. Carry the roots, carry them all. To Zion we call.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Da 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 da. Whoa, 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 whoa. From the hills to the valley low, sacred herbs of just still grow. Oh, they call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision should win up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains of Babylon's lies. Let the smoke rise, let the truth rise. Babylon judge what they don't understand, breaking nature with their wicked hand. But the healing of the nation is real. In every leaf, just love we feel. Let it burn,
For the sick and
blending blind.
let it free the captive mind.
This is no crime, this is Jah design. A natural law over man-made line.
Oh my mind,
Oh, natural law over man-made
oh
line.
my mind.
Herbal vision,
Herbal vision,
open up my soul.
open up my soul. Whoa. Over my mind, over my mind. Over my mind, over my mind.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, oh, oh. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drum beat of the earth. Find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, but truth will stand and fight. Emancipate your mind today, don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Na 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 na. Jah light will lead us home. Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama worked all day
way, Papa gone astray. But hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again. After hurt, after strain, don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum and the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey, oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh yeah, Trench Town. Oh, you see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history.
From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Umoja, unity forever. Together, together. From Kingston to Accra, one love, conquer all. Drum beat, dog, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town song. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving at the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving at the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there, we got love to share. Loving on the robot of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving on the robot of but no. Love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rub-a-dub, red.
baby, don't let go. Rub-a-dub,
Rub-a-dub, red.
love will overflow.
Loving how the rub-a-dub rain from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rub-a-dub rain. Fall, love come. You and I stand tall. Rub-a-dub rain. Rub-a-dub rain.
Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may.
the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, Rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. God bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, no, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love in the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We're one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Hey, sunrise over Zion, no, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Hey, oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole all together. Hey, Jah Jah bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion, no, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Hey, rise, my brother rise. Sun